It's time for another origami video. In my other videos, I did the 1, the 10, the 20. I'm going to be doing the 50. Another video, I'll do the 100. In my opinion, the 50, the 100, and the 1 make the best rings. The 10 and the 20 are just so-so. And the 5, don't even bother because it doesn't look good. So, start with a crisp or as fresh uncrumpled bill as you can. Makes for a better ring. Now on the 50, I'm going to use the bottom left of the back for the face. So the first step is going to have it face up, hold it back before the edge of that green there. So it's fairly thin strip. Okay. Next, fold it over again. And third time. Fold it in half. One more time. So to make the face, you're going to fold it back just to the edge before you hit the 5, ideally. And on the other half, just past the 0. So basically you're not folding into the number. The number. So there's your face. See how I did that? Next step, going to fold 90-degree angle up right about where it says between the two L's. Dollars. Actually, where it's like dollars past the L before the A, approximately. So actually what you're going to see, folded where DOL. Then fold it back on itself, the face. Bring the excess over the top, up against the edge, bring the face over, adjust it so it's up against the edge there, and tuck under the tab. Pull it tight. It should look like that. And now you take the excess, tuck it through the hole, like so. Pull it tight. Then, with all this excess, I'm going to tuck it under the top of the 50 there. This is the hardest part usually because everything is really tight at this point. And it's hard to get it to work it under. Plus, I'll show you, I'll back up a little bit. If it starts spreading apart, that also makes it harder. So you want to keep that tight. As tight as you can anyway. It seems like every time you fold it over, it wants to separate a little bit. Usually I start with one corner. Work your way across, pushing it in. Most of these rings, for me, I have a medium-sized hand. They're mostly pinky rings. You might be able to get it on their index or ring finger. So if you have really skinny fingers, it's probably a lot easier to do this. If you have really fat fingers, you're probably out of luck on any of these designs. Maybe the $1 you can adjust easier and still make it look okay. So there you have it. Let's see, where's this one? Yeah, see my finger's already swelling. Can't get it off. Let's take off the 100. And I probably could have gotten that on my ring finger. There you have it, $50. $50 ring.